Welcome to the TaxMinds tax software, how to attach documents to a client's return directly into the tax software. So let's get started. So here, we're using the demo version of our tax software. So we're here on the 1040 sheet. So let's say, for example, some of the clients did not attach all of their information into the client portal and decided to send it to you either via email or text or brought it to you in person and you needed to scan it and upload it to their file. So we're going to show you how to attach it to their client portal directly. Now, you must be able to be in their tax return for that year and upload all the information there. So here in this section, we're going to hit the three bars here. We're going to go to this section where it says document, right? And here is where you're going to add any of the documents. You're going to upload one or more documents and then add multi-files or import some type of file client database supported by Excel. So you can upload any of these information that are here. So for example, you're going to the client verification of their ID, their socials, their income, and so on. So here you're going to upload all the information. Now, this is what it looks like whenever you have uploaded their information. So here, for example, is their social security. We have their driver's license, their engagement letter, and this person has multiple W-2s. Now, our tax software has this amazing AI feature that these items, for example, like W-2s, are extractable using our AI, meaning it reads the actual W-2 form and is able to implement the basic information into the W-2 form of the tax software system, which again saves you a lot of time as a tax professional. So a lot of these are able to get extracted using our AI in our system. And when you extract these documents, some of them are able to transpire into the actual W-2 form, and you would just need to review and make sure that all the information is correct. Um, but this is the basic way of how to import the document section. Remember, you are on the client tax returns. You go into the three little bars here, select documents, and then you're going to add all the documents that are needed. And that's how you upload documents into the client information sheet in the TaxMind tax software.